We're here to demonstrate safety and security film along with attachment systems. The reason why I am so passionate about this is about 90% of all doors in the entire United States, possibly the world, are not anchored properly with safety film. That means that somebody's going to die, hopefully not, or get hurt real bad, and somebody's going to say window film didn't work, when in fact the window film would have worked great with an anchoring system. So in this first demonstration we're doing is this door here has no anchoring system whatsoever, and we're just going to break it and we're going to show you what happens. It just saves a mess. Yeah. So basically I just got right through this, and it's not like I'm a big guy, right? Just a scrawny kid from New Jersey. So that's what happens when there's no anchoring system. So this next door actually has exterior 7mm film with our patented ZSecure anchoring system for doors. You're going to experience this. We have not done this test yet, so this is all live. So, you know, again, let's have some fun. We'll just try to hit this with the sharper end of the rock. Right? So, alarm's going off, and basically, if you've got a siren, if you're a store owner, definitely have a siren, because now you're not getting through, and siren's going off. Let's try a little bit bigger rock. If I had to guess, this is probably about 18 pounds, so let's just see what this one does. Oh, let's try it again. And see, now let's get this. We still can't. So the 7mm exterior is pretty good film. The only issue with an exterior film is if it's in the sun a lot, it's going to deteriorate faster, and it wouldn't be as effective as this, say 5-10 years down the line, which is why we like to use interior whenever possible. Alright, this demonstration is using patented ZSecure anchoring system. Give a little backstory on this. You know, things weren't being done right out in the field, so we came up with this. A little more lengthy conversation on that, but chances are we're going to put this right through the door, but then the tear resistance of this product should show its true form. The tear resistance of this. So you'll hear a lot of things out there. Oh, it's not tear resistant. It's not this. It's not that. Well, I just proved the point. So, and obviously we're doing all the testing now. But I've spent a lot of money. This has been up to Intertech Labs in Pennsylvania, in York, Pennsylvania. We did try to do a blast test. It was pretty interesting. It was the fastest $4,500 I've ever spent. They did a bomb blast. They do it with air, just a puff of air. But the actual door itself failed, not my system. So the test was basically inconclusive. And here we are just trying to stop the bad guys. Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. So we got bored with throwing rocks and hitting it with the butts of guns, so we found just a little tool of opportunity outside. Looks like just a nice little steel bar couple pounds, sharp edges. Once again, this is going to be, the film on this particular product is from Lumar Company, or Eastman. It is N1050 8mm, and we've never tested this product, and again, we're just showing off our patent at ZSecure. And let's go again. You guys ready?
Ready!
Well, that's a really crappy tool. Not tear resistant. We have a couple more doors to experiment with. This particular door actually has 15 mil, as we mentioned before the break, 15 mil film from Matico with the Z lock from Pentagon Protection, and this product works pretty well, and we'll see how this rock plays out. That is a tough door. 15 mil is, we put quite a bit out of this, we put quite a bit of this film on schools lately. We do not mention the schools that we do the work for. Basically, we like to keep that, I'm trying to think of the word, autonomous?
Confidential.
Yeah, definitely confidential. Can't let the crazies know what's going on at the schools. We want people to be surprised when they hit window film to try to get in. So let's just try this. Now that's pretty impressive stuff. And the Z-lock, the neat thing about the Z-lock, that even is very competitive with ours, is that it's flexible as well. So it gives a little bit. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, last door of the day. So lately, there's been a big push for basically these narrow lights, which are in classrooms. And we discovered that we were actually asked to do quite a few of these, and we asked the company how they were attaching them, and they were like, attachment system? What's that? And so we basically told them that we would not film the windows without attaching them. And they took heed, and so today what we're doing with these two panels is, one is done with just the regular foam tape that is standard with these squeeze frame units, and that's how it was being done in the past. And then we did the other one using our 3M VHB tape, which is the same tape that we use for our ZSecure system. We'll do the one that's wrong first, which is the one on the right. So basically I'm the shooter at school. Boom, boom, boom. I get a hole. And we just figured out something new. So that one. So this one.
Let's go.
The one with the VHB held up a lot better.
Yeah.
But I've already found an improvement for the schools on this. We have to strengthen the screws. These wood screws just are not going to cut it. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you all for coming. Thanks for watching on YouTube. And come get my ZSecure.